Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment and getting straight to action. Open Automator, grant accessibility and screen recording rights, and set the app to target the anime last stand window. Once done, capture the precise coordinates for clicks and set a conservative 250-500 ms delay between actions. This prevents missed inputs. You will also create a new workflow and select click, keystroke, and wait modules. Make sure autosave is off until you test. You now record and refine the middle, where precision matters. Start a recording of the combat loop, target selection, attack chain, skill activations, and safe retreat, then stop and inspect each action. Once done, insert conditional weights tied to health or buff states and add small randomized delays between 50-200 ms to avoid rigid timing. You should also parameterize loop counts and include error catches for missing UI elements, so the sequence you finish by testing and deploying the workflow with care. Run short 10-30-second trials and watch for misclicks, missed skills, or stuck loops, then tweak coordinates and delays accordingly. Once stable, set a deploy loop with safe stop conditions and backup hotkey. If things go wrong, enable verbose logging and replay failed runs to isolate the exact step causing the fault. Make sure to save incremental versions so you can revert if an adjustment breaks the sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.